civil authorities from damn near everywhere have issued an unnecessary baby show recommendation alert, effective until midnight January 1st. There have been multiple reports of unnecessary baby shows that nobody ever fucking watches have overtaken YouTube recommendations. The baby show characters are all armed with baby toys made to look like realistic weapons. The states with the most baby show video recommendations are Kansas, Oregon, Oklahoma, Delaware, and Mississippi. And for some reason, Bangladesh. Is this the end of the world? Probably. This is a huge fucking problem. It even has people like Filthy Frank saying,
"Shut the fuck up, no one cares about your robot fanfiction."
Jim Gordon and Oswald Cobblepot drove all the way to the Nickelodeon studios to kill all of the baby show characters, but so far it ain't fucking working. What's that? We are now receiving word that baby show characters are invading homes around the United States and singing creepy nursery songs to babies and toddlers while they sleep. This is extremely fucking stupid. Why did they decide to invade YouTube with unnecessary baby show videos? They're just going to piss people off even more. LOL. Anyways, as I was saying, wait a second, why do I hear footsteps? Holy ice cream shit sandwiches with baby vomit! 123 baby show characters singing creepy nursery songs just entered the AS headquarters. No! Do not shove that music box up my ass.